pass broken up by Kopitar, who atoned for his guffaw. Now Kuzmenko moving in on the right wing, threw it in front, shot, score! Quinton Byfield!
Does give you that impression that the puck is being moved around, even when he's standing still.
Kings gain entry. Fiala, curl and drag, shoots, scores! Another power play goal for Kevin Fiala. His team high 13th, and the Kings are up 2-0. And Malinsky and Necas looking, feeds it down low. Coyle cross ice, shot, score! Nelson. A seam pass that connects to Brock Nelson, and it's a two-man advantage goal. Kings lead cut in half. Puck out to the blue line. Gerard shot through traffic wide. Lehkonen reaching for it. Lehkonen centers in front. Shot, score! Nichushkin left unmarked in front, and the Avs have tied the game at 2.
Yeah, this is where you're...
Everybody had such a great time, but most importantly, so happy to see him back on the ice, guys.
Great story. Shot, score! Another story. Kings up 3-2. Clark skating room moves in. Clark stutter steps on Malinsky, feeds it out. Anderson down low. Shot, Kempe. Rebound goal. 4-2 LA. At the circle, holding on. Now knocked off the puck. Nichushkin, a pass across Malinsky, a shot, and he scores. Sounded like he put it in off the crossbar. Malinsky and the Avs are to within a goal. 4-3 Kings, and he'll get it in deep. Laferriere and Gerard cancel. Malinsky lost it. Laferriere looking, threw it in front. Score!
The referee right there, otherwise.
Malinsky shot pass, tipped on, save made, loose puck, picked up, shot, score, Nelson.
Oh yeah, the Avalanche have not stopped at all.